Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to solve all your questions related to application of your original degree. So how to register, what is the process, what are the documents, and most frequently asked questions. I will give all the answers. I will try to solve all your doubts. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So yesterday I made a video on how to apply for original degree step-by-step procedure, but you have like lots of questions. So here it is. So JNTU OD Apply Online 2021 original degree application form registration. JNTUH Hyderabad has released 10th Convocation Notification 2021. The candidates who are qualified for the award of degree or diploma during the academic year, please note this, the academic year from 2019 to 2020, these are the students, and 2020-2021. So these two academic years, if they passed out and they qualified, they have cleared all the subjects, so they can only apply for this original degree. Or 2020-2021 PG degree completed or going to be completed on or before 20th of September 2021 are eligible to apply. Then JNTUH Convocation apply for OD. I have uploaded yesterday the video. I will give the link in the description box or else on the I button you can check. So the procedure for applying for the original degree certificate has been changed because you are required to register with online payments portal of the examination branch of JNTUH. After the registration, you will be directed to make the payment either by payment gateway, that is using credit or debit cards, for the registrations. And for making the OD, that is original degree registration fee payments, you can visit this epayments.jntuh.ac.in, so you can make your payment by this website. Then here we have listed step-by-step process. So you can see here JNTUH Convocation 2021 date is September 2021. So online application starts from 1st of September this year 2021, and the last date to apply is 30 September 2021. So the application fee will be 600, and checklist for convocation, only those candidates, this is for 8th convocation people, only those candidates can apply for convocation whose PC issue date is between. Okay, if you have your PC and CMM, then you can apply for this OD. A scanned copy of a digital passport size photograph should be between 100 to 200 KB. And third thing is scanned copy of identity proof. So for identity proof, you can either give your Aadhaar card or PAN card or driving license or voter identification card or your passport or college identification card. List of valid identity proofs you can select from this. Then the fourth one is scanned copy of your provisional certificate in the format of JPEG format. Size should be between 200 to 300 KB. Then the next thing is students should furnish their provisional certificate number that is above the serial number of the PC. So use MS Paint to resize the image. So you have to resize the image and all. Then JNTUH Convocation apply, procedure to apply for original degree. Okay, I had the whole video on that. So apply online for original degree. The new users of these services has to enroll initially using the services new user registration they have shown here. Open your Google and type JNTUH student service. Then when you enter, this page will open. Then you have to, on the right side you can see this box for student login. If you have not logged in yet, then you have to create your new user registration, in which you have to enter your hall ticket number and you have to create a password. Before creating a password, they will send you an OTP on the registration mobile number. So after putting that OTP, you can change your password and put your password whatever you want. Then enter your hall ticket number, and after registration, they will show you enter your hall ticket number and you have to fill the caption and submit. Then fill all the details in students registration carefully, especially address details, because when you put the address, they will send your OD by post. So correct information is necessary. Then you have to fill your hall ticket number, password, student name, father's name, gender, date of birth, college code, and mobile number and email. So this is the present address box and this is the permanent address. If both permanent and present address are same, then press the same as present address. Click on this. So you don't have to enter for 2 times. So register. The password has to be created by the student at the time of registration, as I said. Then further, the candidate are informed to remember their password for any future correspondence or updates. The username shall be the hall ticket number. So the username will be, you have to put hall ticket number, and the candidate during the study of the course or which she or he is seeking the original degree certificate. The fee amount can be paid either by making online payment using Master or Visa, credit, ATM cards, and go to epayments.jntuh.ac.in/convocation. Then log in with your hall ticket number, user ID and password. So after filling all this information, they will redirect you to the payment page. There you have to again put your hall ticket number and password. You can click the select convocation OD, then you will get acknowledged file in PDF format. Download and save it for future use. So here we have some frequently asked questions. Let us see. The first question is how to apply for my original degree in 9th convocation. If you are from 9th convocation, then see, open the JNTUH website, that is jntuh.ac.in, and click on the 9th convocation icon at the bottom of the home page. It will redirect to 9th convocation portal. Or by using the URL epayments.jntuh.ac.in/convocation, you can apply for your OD in 9th convocation. Second question is, am I eligible to apply the 10th convocation? The candidates who are passed in the academic year, that is R 2019 or 20 or 2020-2021, are eligible for applying in 10th convocation for their OD provided. So they have not taken the OD is pre-convocation mode earlier. The third question is, while applying for OD, it is not asking for uploading the photo. If the candidate's photo is available with JNTUH, it will not ask to upload the photo while applying for OD. And the next question is, I have applied for my OD in 9th convocation, but I need my OD urgently. What is the procedure to obtain my OD urgently? So once you have applied in 9th convocation, if you need OD urgently, you can apply in pre-convocation mode by using the URL. The URL is epayments.jntuh.ac.in/online convocation services, which enables you to get the OD within 15 days of your application, independent of 9th convocation. In this case, the application made in 9th convocation will become null, and if any fee paid through payment gateway, only refundable by submitting refund request at the exam branch JNTUH. Then the next question is, how long it takes to get my OD after applying in 9th convocation? The printing and dispatching process of original degrees will start within few days after the 9th convocation ceremony. The next question is, can I apply for OD in tactical services? There is no tactical service to original degrees, but can apply in pre-convocation mode as mentioned in the answer to question number 4. So this is the process. You can apply if you want urgently. Next question is, I have a name correction on my provisional certificate. It is PC. Can I apply for OD? Generally, PC is valid up to 6 months from the date of it. First you have to correct in your provisional certificate, then you can apply for OD, because if once you have done a mistake in your OD with your name or spelling corrections, it might get trouble. So first you have to correct in provisional certificate and then you can apply for your OD. So the next question is, I have applied OD in 9th convocation, but it is not asking for OD fee payment. Why? The answer is, as we have already received the OD fee along with the Btech Bpharmacy 4th year 2nd SEM examination fee, you need not pay OD fee now, but you have to generate the acknowledgement receipt for getting the OD. But you need this receipt of payment. The next question is, I have paid my OD fee along with Btech Bpharm 4th year 2nd SEM exam fee. Shall I need to apply now in 9th convocation for getting my OD? The answer is, even though OD fee paid during Btech or Bpharm 4th year 2nd SEM examination fee, it is mandatory that they have to register in 9th convocation and have to generate the acknowledgement receipt for getting the OD. So if you have already paid, then you need not to pay. You have to generate this acknowledgement receipt for getting the OD. The next question is, when I am trying to apply OD in 9th convocation, I am getting invalid hall ticket number. Why? Please note that the student who have passed in the academic year 2016 to 17 are eligible to apply in 9th convocation, provided they have not taken their OD in pre-convocation mode earlier. In case you are eligible but it is showing invalid hall ticket number, then contact JNTUH exam branch through email or helpline. This number you can contact during 10:30 am to 5 p.m. on all working days. The next question is, I have lost my acknowledgement receipt or payment receipt. Where can I get it? So from where you can get your acknowledgement receipt is, in this case you can log in to the 9th convocation portal and can take the printout whenever you require. The next question is, I have uploaded wrong photo while applying OD. What should I do? Then you need to place a hard copy representation to the Director of Evaluation, JNTUH, along with your soft copy of original photo and ID proof. Then they will change that photo and they will resend your OD. The next question is, I got an acknowledgement. What should I do after that? You keep that printout for further reference. In case if you have not received your OD after a couple of months after 9th convocation, then you can contact exam branch, JNTUH, with the printout of acknowledgement. Next question is, should I submit the paid Challan copy in the university after paying my OD amount in SBI Bank? No, it is not necessary to submit the paid Challan copy in the university, but you can enter your paid Challan details by clicking on Add Challan Details link provided in the 9th convocation portal. So you have to fill all your Challan details in the 9th convocation. The next question is, while I am applying for OD in 9th convocation, it is showing the fee of rupees 3,500 or 2,900. Why? So the 9th convocation OD fee is 600 rupees only. You may be opened wrong portal, which may be pre-convocation portal. The pre-convocation OD fee is rupees 3,500 or 2,900. Rupees 600 already paid in 4th year. Please ensure that you are using the 9th convocation portal URL. Is given the URL here. So you should see whether you are paying at the correct URL or not. And next question is, I have forgotten my 9th convocation portal password. How can I get my password? Click on Forget Password link available in the home page of 9th convocation portal. It will ask to enter your hall ticket number, registered mobile number and email ID for verification. Once the verification is successful, you will receive the password to your registered email ID or your phone number. This is the process to get your password. I hope you guys find this video informative. If you have doubts, then comment down below, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to pinpharma. And you can also follow us on Instagram, link in the description box. You can also DM us if you have any queries or any doubts. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.